Rango Tenge, an 11-year-old TikTok sensation from Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. This young boy has attracted the attention of global superstars, including Speed. This social media is helping a lot of people, as long as you manage it well. There are a lot of things which can uprise you, but don't forget that it can also bring you down according to how you are using it too. All facts matter. His real names are Kabong Michael. Tenge, mostly in Uganda Kingdom. It's a song sung for children that are starting to work, just like encouraging them learning how to work. Kabby is a Senegalese-born Italian social media personality. He is known for his TikTok videos, in which he silently mocks the overly complicated. When you think of how he did it, it shows you the prowess of talent, creativity, and the more many activities related to it. Just to use body languages. Rango Tenge is a trending content creator on TikTok. He shares a combination of dance and amazing comedy contents. He has more than 800,000 followers on the platform. We cannot say that this guy came from nowhere, but we can ask ourselves how this young boy did it within a short period of time. It makes sense. He regularly began posting his content on TikTok in October 2023. Just in November, one of his dance performances went viral with more than 87 million views. Kabby was born in 2000. His family moved to Italy when he was 1 year old. He studied in Italian school until he was 14 years old. He also worked as a computer numerical control machine operator at a factory near Turin before getting laid off in March 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic hit, which caused widespread economic disruption. He began from there, doing his funny contents, and now he has overwhelmed the world with just his funny gestures and symbols. And now what we're getting at the moment is that Rango Tenge and Kabby are about to go to Hollywood to cook something together. We also wake up and we found these guys trending everywhere. And last when I said, this is the power of social media, power of creativity, power of reality, power of ability. And most of us love these guys because they play a big role in our daily life. They are parts of our lives. Anyone who can bring you joy should be your choice. Anyone who encourages you to do better should be your motivator. We know that there are others who are just there, busy building things which are causing controversy. Just have a little glimpse of them and bounce. Choose what's right. All I can tell is, African continent is seriously being swaggy in each and every talent. You can be like, how? Then I tell you to check on Uganda, the Pearl of Africa with their ghetto kids. Actually, they're a dance music group founded in 2014 by Dauda Kavuma, composed of children from the Katwe slums in Kampala, Uganda. The video of Patricia, Isaac, Fred, Bashir, and the late Alex, who died as a result of a bicycle accident, dancing to Eddie Kenzo's song, Sitka Lost. It went viral, accumulating over 8 million views on YouTube and other social media networks. These ghetto kids have provoked the admiration of American artists, including P. Diddy or Puff Daddy and Nicki Minaj. They have also featured in the clip of French Montana's Unforgettable, launching their success in the United States of America. They performed at the World Cup 2022 event in Qatar. They performed at halftime during Football Club Paris Saint-Germain's home game against Reims at the Parc des Princes. They also performed on Britain's Got Talent. And last when the new judge Bruno Toniuri gave them the Golden Buzzer mid-performance, becoming the first ever constant to receive this mid-performance in Got Talent history. So guys, use your talent. It makes you feel fulfilled. It's incomparable when you are making a positive impact on the world around you. And once you shine, don't forget that you shine to shine others.